Hello and welcome to the directions for name range calculation NPS. NPS stands for National Park Service. Go ahead and open the attached workbook. In this workbook we have 4 worksheets, and what we want to find out is the summary for the month of May of how many cars entered each day in each of the 3 parks. And if you'd want to, you can color code them different so that they stand out more. There. So I'll go back to the summary. So here we have the first park, Bryce Canyon, and how many cars each day. Day 1, day 2, how many cars. Grand Canyon, different amount of cars each day for the same month. And Mesa Verde. So if I were to check my name box, I'll see, oh, I have one for Bryce. And if I select Bryce, it comes to the Bryce Canyon worksheet, and it has all of the 31-day entries selected. But that was it. I didn't do one for Grand Canyon or Mesa. So I'll go to Grand Canyon. I'm going to create one. So I'll select B7 all the way to B22, let go. And I need to also select the entries in column E. So I'm going to hold Control and select E7 to E21. Then I'll come up here and type, I'll just type Grand. That's fine. And enter. And I always like to check. So I'm going to come up here and now type Grand. Click Grand. Perfect. So now I'll go to Mesa Verde and do the same thing. Select my range. Let go. Hold Control and select the other part of it. Go up to my name box and I'll just type Mesa. That's fine. And then again, I like to double check. So I'm going to choose Mesa. So now they're all selected. So I'll go into the attendance summary in D7 and I want to do auto sum. I'm going to click the first worksheet named Bryce Canyon, hold Shift and click the last one, Mesa. You don't have to select all of them. You can see that they're all selected. Now I need to select the range, so I'm going to open plus on B7, hold and drag, let go. Hold Control because I want to include the rest of the month, E all the way to 21, and then just press Enter. But before I do that, I want to look up in the formula bar, and you'll see the formula is equal sum Bryce Canyon worksheet name through Mesa Verde, end of worksheet name with the exclamation point, then what cell range, B7 to B22, back to the worksheet Bryce Canyon through Mesa Verde, and again the other part of the range, and then just press Enter, and that's what you have for a value. Another way to do it is just to use these names. So what I'm going to do is my auto sum, and instead of a range I'm going to type Bryce, comma, Grand, comma, and Mesa. So I'm just selecting the reference to the name boxes and then just press Enter and I get the same amount. If you put your reveal codes, you can see that the formula on the first one is much longer than the second one. But in the end, the result is exactly the same. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.